Hello, my little rebel. Have you always dreamed how to win somebody in Netstorm? But you don't know how? Well, you are in right place to start. Let's download the game first. I will download the game from my G drive, but you can download from any location, from Facebook, from Discord, from Netstorm HiQ. My version contains the full Netstorm with the music and video files and some additional files. Let's extract the game. Before we first start a game, let's config it. Basically, Netstorm have three modes. It's windowed, borderless window, and a full screen. To play a full screen, I recommend you to download DDrew DLL wrapper. It's included in my Netstorm version, but you can download it from GitHub. It's called DDrew compat. It's basically just a DDrew DLL file. So, to play full screen mode, you must fit screen width and screen height to your basic desktop resolution and set enable full screen 1, start and full screen 1, and you are ready to play Netstorm in full screen mode. To play windowed, you must set the window resolution you like and set enable full screen 0, start in full screen 0, and clip cursor 1. That means the cursor can't leave the window location. And the last mode I will play is a borderless window. It's the window that fit your desktop resolution. I have full HD, so I set my screen width and screen height like that. Enable full screen 0, start in full screen 0, clip cursor 1. Now we are set some more advanced options. PassDX tell Netstorm to pass the Windows firewall. Font size can be any font size, that's just comfort for your eyes. Font face name can be any Netstorm, any Windows default font. I like Lucida Console. Range speed is the target lines, how fast the target lines work in game. You can play over it. Send money is the options you need while you play 2 vs 2, 3 vs 3 to send the money at start of the game. Unit numbers is some advanced options that allow you to pick the units from the units bar, not by mouse, but by upper digits set on the keyboard. Sound in background is allow Netstorm to play sound while you alt tab to the second window. Play intro 0 means Netstorm will play intro every time you start the game. Exclude the priest from the carriers mean exclude the priestman that is counted by the game as transport 2. So we exclude him while we cycling by the end button between the transport. Decay is some odd options but by the DVMI. I recommend you to keep at 0 always. My edit missions means Netstorm is configured the way you can use the included game editor to make your own scenarios and compagons for the game. If you set it 0, the edit menu will be replaced by the intro menu. We just keep it 0. I guess it's all. We can close this window and we are ready to start the game our first time.
Since a time before memory, the three furies of wind, rain, and thunder have battled for supremacy in the skies of Nimbus. Though the clouds rumble with their warfare, we as mortals must stand among them and fight for the fragile soil beneath our feet.
Sir, the enemy priest has been captured and brought aboard.
Very good. Tell all posts to prepare for ascent.
Enter.
Sir, we're approaching the home island.
Right. Inform the bridge I'm on my way.
Welcome to the Netstorm menu, my little rebel. Let's explore the menu. Bottom right corner is tell you the game version. It's recently updated. We have borderless window mode, so we don't need to set any resolution or full screen. Performance options I keep normal. FPS I set 16. Power saver is default. Let's adjust the sound level. I recommend you to set scroll speed the fastest. I recommend you to set bridges only. Keep unit rotation options by default. Keep it default. Keep it default. This menu you can set the temple type that will be built by the default as soon as you press the hotkey. Let's set the Rain temple. Here is Netstorm editor that you can start to edit your missions. Compagnon to play Compagnon. Demo to play demo, help for help, and of course quit It's the most important button in Netstorm. Well, let's join the multiplayer. My online game is fort generated by the game, it's default fort. We don't need it, let's delete. Get all technology to play online. Your stats are 0 now, but it will be changed. Netstorm have achievement system. By default it's at no. We have one free achievement, that is for returned players. All achievements are closed now, but you will open the achievements. It will be opened by your progress inside the game. I don't like how they look my island. Let's randomize it and find something good. This one is good, but the residents will not let us to build the temple, so we must move it somewhere. Okay, like this. I think we're ready to play online. Basically, Netstorm connect to Fleet server. It's the main server. But if main is down, we usually start backup servers. It's DVMI and Rama. And of course you can play local server. Some welcome message. Let's explore the screen. You can right click your island to see your info and stats. You see the battle rings and some hostbots. To play the game, you must join the ring. Set the game mode you wish to play. Click the box and you are ready to start the battle. If you play with friends, one of you must open the 6799 TCP port and 6800 TCP port, because the game is use TCP IP connection type. But if your ports are closed, you can use the dedicated server. It's our hostbots. Join the blue or the red, and your friend can join the blue, and you can start the game. If you press F1, you can find help files. Most useful is game version and balance version. Unit stats are changed every balance patch, and unit overview is useful menu to check the changes. One more useful menu is user interface, where you can find all the hotkeys. One more useful thing is server commands. .last is showing you the players have been online and played the game. To sync server time and your time, type .time, so you can sync your time and understand who is played like few hours ago or few minutes ago, or who is online right now. F2 is welcome you to our Discord channel. Let's check if it's work. This is our Discord channel, where you can pick all the useless info about the game news, chat with the players, battle tabs for the battle stats. The hostbot generated the battle stats and send it to the Discord channel. Some basics info about the game. This is useful commands. Yes master and both me is something to pick a special status to join the community. Updates is very important tab, where you can see all the last info about the game. FAQ is the game FAQ. You can download here something useful files. Let's check how it works. This is a useful set of hostbot commands. You can set hostbot direct, so you type the commands you can see right now to control the hostbot. Let's come back to the game. And let's check how the commands work. Make sure you type the commands inside the battle ring. We can see here the indication. We can see it is work. But last thing for this lesson is I don't like how the looks is my chat. Let's make it more attractable. Well, that's much better. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you like it and see you next time.